Covering schedules in CA4k. In this video, you will learn how to create schedules. There are two different ways to get to the Schedules window. The first is from the menu bar at the top of the screen. By clicking on Administration, Schedules, you will come to the Schedules window. Alternatively, you can also go to the Quick Launch menu and click the clock that says Schedules. This will bring you to the Schedules window as well. In the Schedules window, you will see at the top here all of the existing schedules that are already programmed into the system. As you see down here at the bottom, this will show the specific time ranges that are assigned to each individual schedule. If the schedule you need does not already exist and you need to create a new one, you would click New in the upper left-hand corner. Then give your schedule a name. We're going to call this schedule Building 2 24/7. You can change the partition group if you need. This would only be used if you have partitions set up in your system. Then click New Block. By default, the system will create a 24/7 schedule. That's what this means, from Monday to holiday, 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. Monday through holiday, the system interprets Monday through holiday as working 7 days a week. For the purpose of CA4k, they treat Monday as the first day of the week and Sunday as the last day of the week. So therefore, a Monday through holiday means that it will work Monday through Sunday, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The holiday designator in any time block means that this schedule will remain active during a holiday. So let's say that it's July 4th and you've programmed this as a holiday because your place of business is closed. This schedule would still allow whatever it is assigned to function in its normal capacity even though the holiday is in effect. If you do not want this schedule to work during a holiday, for example, the front door is unlocked every day from, well, in this case, midnight to midnight, but let's say we had a different schedule in here and we changed this to 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Not 52 p.m. This schedule would mean that the front door would unlock on the holiday. If you do not want it to unlock on the holiday, this will need to change to the specific day. So for example, in this schedule here, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. means that this schedule would be active every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If a holiday falls during that week, like the 4th of July, this schedule would be overridden and the door would not unlock. We're making the assumption for this schedule that we want it to work even through the holiday. This schedule would be for someone working in the building that we want them to be able to come in and do work all day long because they're just that important. And so we are going to change this back to 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. and then we are going to click Save. Our schedule has now been created. If we want to modify a schedule, we can click on it and simply change the schedule. Now, let's take a look at one here. This weekend daytime schedule. This schedule is a little bit unique. We have a schedule set from Saturday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then we have another schedule set here, another time block. That's Saturday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to midnight. What this schedule is set up to do is to say unlock a door. So it's set to follow from Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5, and then on Saturday at 8 p.m. it will re-engage and it'll stay active until 12. This would be useful if there was an event happening over a weekend, something like that. If we wanted to change this so that it's not open on Saturday, but it is on Sunday during that time, we can simply come in and change this from Sunday to Sunday. And now this schedule will work Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and on Sunday from 8 p.m. to midnight. Again, once we're done, we click Save, and the schedule has been changed. Just a word about best practice with schedules. If you have multiple locations with multiple different schedules, it is best to create a specific schedule for each thing. If you simply have a weekend schedule that then gets applied throughout your system and one event changes the weekend schedule, it can have adverse effects to a variety of things that you might forget that were already linked to that schedule. So let's say, for example, you have an event over the weekend that's going to change your schedule. It is best to create a new schedule for that specific event, and then you can delete that schedule afterwards. Thank you for viewing our video on scheduling.